Hello kids. First of all, good evening everyone. How are you guys? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to color some juicy fruit. Let's start and enjoy it. This is strawberry. Strawberry is a small red fruit that is sweet and juicy.
Oh no.
They are used in many desserts and jam. They are in season from May to July. They are also to make jam, jelly and syrup. I like this fruit very much. Now we are going to color a pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical plant. Pineapples are sweet, juicy fruit. The smell of pineapple is very sweet. Its shape in oval. Do you like pineapple?
Oh yeah!
Wow, very nice. This is mango. You know the king of fruit is mango. Everybody like eating mango.
Wow!
Mango is a seasonal fruit of the summer season. People belonging to all age group love eating mangoes. India is the largest producer and export of mango. We must be grateful to nature for gifted us with such a valuable fruits. I love mango. This is an apple. An apple is a red color fruit. It is sweet in taste. It is very healthy fruit. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Oh my god!
We get apples in winter season. We can make juice and jam from apples. Do you like apple? Now it's complete. I hope you like this video. Thanks for being with me guys. Till then, bye bye. Take care.